Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, so currently London Fashion Week, Milan Fashion Week has just concluded and Paris Fashion Week is ongoing. And that is why I would be sharing to you a trend report so I could share to you what can we expect for spring summer 2024. So what would be trending when it comes to ready to wear, accessories and bags and many more. So guys, please don't get left behind with these very beautiful trends that will be upcoming next year, and I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, before we begin, I have published a vlog regarding the bags that we can expect for Spring-Summer 2024 from Milan Fashion Week. If you haven't seen that, I'm going to link it up here and put it on the description box so you can check it out. So what we are going to discuss for today's would be ready-to-wear, accessories, shoes, and many more. So let us begin. Alright guys, so Spring-Summer 2024 trend number 1, and this is my prediction. So we can expect that monograms are out, any type of logos. Logo mania is still not a trend, but quiet luxury is still going strong. Yes guys, so this is not really a surprise because as we know, quiet luxury trend has been ongoing, but with the current selections that have walked the runway from London, from Milan Fashion Week, it is such a breath of fresh air. So guys, and it is a little bit surprising from different brands, and one of the brands that I would like to discuss would be Versace, because as we know, Versace is one of the brands wherein once you have seen them, you would immediately know, oh, this is Versace. It's very colorful, it's very bright. You would immediately know with some of the logos that they're using, then you would immediately know that this is Versace. But with their current Spring-Summer 2024, I was surprised in a good way because, to be honest, kind of reminded me of Prada and Miu Miu. So if you're going to check on their runway, I'm going to put some photos here on my side, maybe a little bit of videos, wherein we could see that somehow they have shifted from their very loud aesthetic, you know, very loud colorways, like for example with their collaboration with their last runway with Dua Lipa, we are going to see that bam, Versace is here. But from their spring summer 2024, we could see that the number one, the colors are muted, more of the pastel colors. Even the runway that they have showcased for, it's like, honestly, I thought this is a Prada runway, but it is such a wonderful surprise because we are going to see, you know, very minimal design, simple cut, very muted colors, and it's very clean, it's very crisp, it's very modern, very fitting for the quiet luxury trend. Another brand that we would be discussing, of course, there would be the Row. So they have just shown from Paris Fashion Week, and as we know, Row is the queen of minimalist, the queen of quiet luxury. So we could still expect very beautiful pieces, very beautiful designs. So from pants, from jackets, so gorgeous, and they have even used pops of color, and we're going to see very minimal colors. Also, of course, if you're going to check on Ferragamo, so very bright summer colors. But then again, if you're going to check if there are any logos from their ready-to-wear, from their bags, from their shoes and accessories, it's very minimal. I think the only logo that you're going to see would be the iconic Ganchini logo, but aside from that, there is none. So it's like, if you know, you know. And guys, also the one of the most surprising would be YSL or Yves Saint Laurent. So they have also just shown their Spring Summer 2024 collection from Paris Fashion Week, and God, it is so beautiful. It's so chic, it's so gorgeous. The tailoring, the see-through. But then again guys, we are not going to see any YSL logo on any ready-to-wear pieces, even on their jewelries. I'm not really sure what I have seen with the photos from Vogue.com, and even on the runway, I could not see, you know, like any YSL from their ready-to-wear, from their accessories. They're not even showing bags. Another brand that I would like to discuss, and everyone was surprised because this is the very first runway show of the new creative director of Gucci. So they have just finished their latest collection from Milan Fashion Week. And yes, there would be, of course, this is Gucci. We could expect that they are still going to serve as monogram with their Gucci canvas pieces, so that is expected. But most of the pieces that walk the runway doesn't have any logo at all, and it is a complete, is it 180 or 360 from their last creative director? If you're going to check on their Instagram, guys, they have deleted, unfortunately, all the design from the previous creative director, and then it's like they're starting fresh with their new pieces. So they don't want anymore the loud luxury, the over-the-top pieces, the over-the-top runway pieces that we have seen from Alessandro Michele. Now with the new creative director, it's more subtle. Pieces that he has shown are more of like ready-to-wear pieces that you could easily incorporate to your clothes. But of course, as mentioned earlier, we could see monogram, but some of the monogram, aside from the canvas pieces, are just like the Louis Vuitton front leather, wherein it's tone on tone. So even though there are logos, you would not even see that it's Gucci, not as long as you are going to take a closer look at these pieces. Alright, so for trend number 2 for spring-summer 2024, it would be sculptural accessories. Yes, guys, so this would be the time that we could bring out our chunky pieces from our jewelry collection. Take them out, guys, especially this upcoming spring-summer 2024, because they are going to be big. So couple of brands that I would like to discuss. Number 1 would be, of course, Gucci. With Gucci, this is the juxtaposition from their collection. As we are going to notice, most of their pieces are very minimal, but some of their models would be wearing this very beautiful gold chunky necklace. So this is the first time. I'm not really sure of the name of this pieces by Gucci, but I am so drawn. So just like, for example, my gold chain necklace here, so it's very chunky. It's like, wow, I'm here, very sculptural. Then we are also going to see same type of accessory. So from necklace, it is also, we could see it as an earring under the Gucci runway. So very, very beautiful. So another brand that I would also like to bring it here would be, of course, YSL. So we are going to notice that most of the models on the runway, they are wearing, guys, OMG, very huge sculptural geometric accessories. So most specifically that we can see are the earrings. It's very huge, it's very big. I think this trend is quite ongoing for a while now. So like, for example, with Bottega Veneta, I think what's trending online right now would be like the teardrop shaped earring, something like this. So this is not Bottega, guys, but it's going big on TikTok or other online platform. And from there, these luxury brands are taking cue. Of course, guys, let us not forget Schiaparelli. So up to this filming, unfortunately, Schiaparelli is not showing, but I'm pretty sure with their latest runway collection on Paris Fashion Week, they are going to bring out very beautiful sculptural jewelries, which again, I would be lost in. Alright, trend number 3 for spring-summer 2024. Guys, this would be anything puzzle bag style. Yes, so I think every luxury brand wanted to take a piece of this puzzle bag pie. So of course, as we know, Loewe is the one of the pioneers of the puzzle bag style. So aside from the current selections that the brand has, their latest offering would be the Loewe puzzle tote, which I think is also huge right now in TikTok and Instagram and other online social platforms. So I would like to bring in a couple of brands that is currently doing their own version of puzzle bag style. So of course, the very first one is Fendi. So with Fendi, they have the origami tote bag. This is not a new bag from Fendi. I think they have shown this for previous runway, but they are still bringing it back, and they are giving more focus to this bag, as we are going to see now on Fendi's Instagram account. They are now sharing us what can we do with the origami tote bag. So with this tote bag with Fendi, you could wear this multiple ways. The top part is magnetic, so you could wear it regularly on this style. Then you could pull the sides outward and it would look like a Louis Vuitton Neverfull, do you think? And then of course it has long shoulder straps, so you could wear this one as a shoulder bag. I'm not really sure if this is part of the bag, but it would come with a bag charm, you know, like the piece of paper that we are playing when we were young, where you do it like this and there would be answers. So hopefully that would come free with the bag if you're going to purchase the new origami bag from Spring Summer 2024 from Fendi. And another luxury brand that I would like to bring in today that is doing their own version of the puzzle bag style. I'm not really sure if you guys heard from this luxury brand, but the brand is Valextra. So hopefully I am pronouncing that right. I'm not sure if they're Italian or Parisian brand. I need to do more research. But for Valextra, I have seen on Instagram, the name of the bag is the VV bag. I'm going to put a video here. So this VV bag is a shoulder hobo bag style. And actually guys, this is very almost similar to the LOEWE puzzle bag, like their hammock bag style. It kind of reminds me of the hammock LOEWE bag. But looking at Valextra's version, again, it's very minimal. It doesn't have any logo. Again, check fit for the quiet luxury trend. From this video and from this photo, it also looks nice. I love the construction, although it kind of reminds me a little bit close with LOEWE's puzzle bag, unlike with Fendi. So Fendi was able to come up with their own version. So final trend that I would like to discuss that I'm predicting would be huge for spring summer 2024 would be anything unique, anything one of a kind. So others might actually even call this the ugly trend, but I would also like to share it here. And the very first one would be this bag from Prada. I don't know the official name yet, but I am calling it the 1913 reissue bag, and the reason is this is one of the latest reissue bags that Prada is showing to us. So this came from year 1913 from one of the co-founders of Prada. So again, I have discussed this from our previous vlog. And this is a handbag style. So as we are going to notice, it has kiss lock mechanism. It's made of nylon. And what I am not actually loving about this bag would be on the top, like the part of the kiss lock mechanism. So according to Prada, this is one of the mythological creatures. So unfortunately, I am not familiar if this is one of a mythological creature in Italy. So guys, if you're familiar, please share it to our fam here. And guys, just my opinion, please don't come after me. So honestly, with Prada, I'm a little bit disappointed with their bag selections. I didn't like anything so far, including this 1913 bag. So the style, kind of blah, but I am expecting that this would be huge. I am expecting by spring summer 2024, the brand would be gifting this bag to most of the influencers and making it huge. And again, of course, once we see influencers, celebrities carrying this kind of unique, one-of-a-kind, ugly bags, then we may actually fall for it. I may also change my mind about this, but currently right now, I am not loving this, but I am predicting this kinds of bag would be huge for 2024. Another trend that we could expect would be still, very unique, very one-of-a-kind, would be platform shoes. So we could see from Gucci, most of their models are wearing platform shoes. And this is yes for me because as you know, if you have been following me on Instagram, it is, my brand. It is part of my monster shoe brand. I'm so happy when Gucci has released this platform loafers. It looks really luxe. It looks really luxurious. I could really go in with that brand. And another brand that I would like to discuss would be Burberry. So we could see the footwear that they are showcasing on the runway. It's like a gladiator style with doesn't have any logo. It doesn't have any writing of Burberry. We could only know that this is Burberry. The latest logo of Burberry would be the knight riding the horse. So we are going to see engraved on the metal part of this gladiator footwear. So honestly, with this one, I'm not really sure if I'm happy with the style. But again, this is a unique, one-of-a-kind, ugly trend. So I feel would be huge for spring summer 2024. Another brand that I would like to bring in is the creative director of LOEWE. So of course, with his namesake brand, JW Anderson, opening his runway collection, we are going to see, we were surprised, like this model walked the runway with the ready-to-wear, like for example, the hoodie or the sweater, the shoulder is up to here. So we are not sure why is it like that. Then of course, after the show, it has been explained that the pair, the jumper and the short pants are made actually of clay. So it was hardened, that's why it's not moving on the runway. So again, it's very unique, it's very trendy, and as we know, J.W. Anderson would really bring, one-of-a-kind, unique pieces, and I'm also excited what he are going to bring with LOEWE. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, again, these are just my prediction and my own opinions. I would love to hear from you. So if I missed anything from London, Milan, Paris Fashion Week, the trends that will be upcoming for Spring Summer 2024, kindly comment down below. If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a pearl emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Again guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!